As higher fuel costs and government mandates become more prevalent, DoubleCoin is committed to providing reliable and efficient solutions for the transportation industry. Reducing rolling resistance, improving fuel efficiency, using fewer raw materials, and implementing more environmentally friendly manufacturing processes are some of the ways DoubleCoin limits environmental impact. Our fuel-efficient SmartWay Verified tires reduce rolling resistance and save fuel consumption, which is a critical factor for the trucking industry. The reduction in fuel consumption and emissions has a positive impact on air quality, resulting in decreased greenhouse gas emissions during the transportation of goods. Many of our tires are designed to handle multiple retread sheaths throughout their lifespan. With a SmartWay Verified casing, the retread can then be fully SmartWay Verified when remanufactured and reinstalled in service. This can lead to significant cost savings for trucking companies, as retreading can be a more cost-effective alternative to purchasing new tires. Retreading also reduces the number of tires that need to be disposed of, thus reducing the amount of waste going to landfills. This results in reduced resource consumption and lower carbon emissions associated with tire production. Finally, DoubleCoin has implemented an environmentally friendly manufacturing process. The latest automation utilized in our plants create less scrap and unusable materials. Wastewater treatment plants, sustainable raw materials, solar-generated lighting, and nitrogen vulcanization all contribute to a greener process to produce tires. At DoubleCoin, we're committed to being your trusted partner for the life of your tires.